So I'm now at this Sungai Dua, opposite this lotuses of Sungai Dua, and I'm checking out this Jawa Mee. Just moved in from Gembira at English there to here, and we're going to check out. How long qua này trên gặp Phú à? Mà lễ bài là ok. Rất cho quý đấy không Trinh? Quý chấm quý. Lạc chấm quả ra kỹ là từ cả ít chấm là đẹp bài quý học. Và lễ bài khẩm ok anh học. Lão bản luôn cho Trần Phú Lucy hờ khơ. Cái này chèo về sẽ có bún, bún sẽ là bình xí à. Mất cả đó khoai cả orange này sạch tầm phôi. Kim quay rồi. Kim quay về bên được ăn sạch. Bên. Xì. Video lâu chuyện hóa luôn. Here, this is the Jawa Mee. Just moved here from Gembira at English there. Now moved to here. This is Sungai Dua, and just started 3 weeks ago. And in front of me there are two types of Jawa Mee. This is the rebus. Rebus is the cooked one, and the other one is the fried one. The cooked one served together with the chili. Then just put all the chili in. And as you can see, this one they have this suika. This is the lime. Wow, putting some lime. Okay. Wow, sweet. Appetizing. Now, of course, they serve together with these features. Potato, and then egg, and then bean sprout, and then some lettuce. And the soup is made of pumpkin. Let's check out. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Very flavorful. And someone got bean curd. Oh, very good this one. Hold on. Very nice. And then this one, another one. This is the fried version. The difference is that it's using a pan fried, stir fried rather than the soup base. So let's check out. This one is packed with both aroma, so the taste is a bit different from the cooked one. Both also got their specialties. It's very nice also. So you all need to come and check out.